In the last couple of years, I have supercharged my property portfolio using the B4R model. In this video, I want to go over exactly what it is, why I implemented it, how it helps, and what we look for, and what our results have been to date. B4R is short for Buy, Reconfigure, Refurbish, Rent and Refinance. Previously, I had purchased buy-to-lets in Birmingham, but I found I was always leaving in lots of money in each property that I purchased. And each time I had a valuation, I was always worried about the value being down value. I wanted to find a strategy that was sustainable and scalable, and for this to happen, I couldn't continue to buy property the way I had been. Property prices were high in central London, so we had to find a strategy that would allow us to add a significant amount of value to each project so that we could keep going. By adding a significant amount of value, this also reduced the valuation risk and ultimately reduced the money left in, which allowed us to do a greater number of projects. By utilising the B4R model, it helped us to only focus on properties that would allow us to add a significant amount of value. In central London, we decided to convert one-bedroom apartments into two-bedroom apartments. Outside of London, we decided to convert houses into flats and look for mixed-use commercial buildings which were vacant or becoming vacant that we could convert into apartments. We looked for one-bedroom apartments, 10 to 15 minutes walk from an underground station, low-rise blocks with no more than 5 floors, one-bedroom apartments that had a separate kitchen. The kitchen had to be at least 7.5 square meters. The living room had to be at least 15 square meters. The apartment had to be tired and dated and in need of refurbishment. We were also looking for buyers with problems who were looking for a quicker sale than normal due to some of the circumstances. B4R has allowed us to build up a property portfolio starting from 0 to 3.07 million in a relatively short space of time. B4R has allowed us to do the following. The projects we completed in central London using the model have allowed us on average to buy 2.78, that's nearly 3 properties for every one purchased by a normal buy-to-let investor. The average uplift created has been £105,000 over a 6-month period. The money left in per flat was £21,000 compared with £62,300 if I had purchased one of these flats using the conventional method. Current market where competition for properties is so hot, it's really important that you can add as much value as possible. And some of the ways we have and are adding value is by the following: turning one-bedroom flats into two-bedroom flats, turning two-bedroom houses into three-bedroom houses, turning houses into flats, turning mixed-use commercial units into multiple apartments. B4R has allowed us to supercharge our journey in building a property portfolio in a relatively short period of time. I hope this video helps you to look at ways of adding significant amounts of value rather than just doing a normal refurbishment. If you like this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe so that you get notified when I release another video. Make sure you are subscribed, as I will pick a subscriber at random and have a 10-minute call with you to see how I can help you on your property investing journey. Please check out my personal website, ravinderauditor.com, where I'll have lots of free videos on property investing and serviced accommodation. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.